Hello everyone, I am Guruprasad Dash. In this video, I am going to unbox the NCERT fingertips of chemistry. So let's start the unboxing video. And I have purchased this book from Amazon. So let's start the unboxing. This is the objective NCERT fingertips of chemistry, and this book is useful for both class 11th and 12th and for the students who are preparing for JEE and NEET. In this book you can get objective type questions of the chemistry, and the printing price of this book is 850, but if you purchase in the Amazon or Flipkart, the cost around 579. So I purchased this book from Amazon, I have to pay only 579, and the paper quality of this book is very good. So I definitely suggest you for the students who are preparing for JEE and NEET, this book is very much helpful for them. And if you want to know details regarding this video, please comment me in the comment box. I will make a video regarding this. And this is the bill, and the price is 579. So I will suggest you to purchase this book from Amazon or Flipkart. So thank you very much.